It's Amazon selling Chris back with some quick tweet. This is a $1 billion company, but I'm following the little small things. They offer an Amazon Pay. They offer buy with Prime. Every time we go and purchase something as a customer, the first thing we look at is the fast delivery date. If you don't have a fast delivery date, you're missing out on sales. GoAsian is about convenience, instant gratification. If you got to keep up with the trends and you got to keep up with what they're offering if you want to keep up with high sales. Excuse me. I always tell people that it's best to get a P.O. box too. I got all my returns to my P.O. box as well. Take it from me, it's worth it. I was trying to sneak one off before the lady's like, those are free. So these are good for your packages too as well. I recommend that. The point is to avoid that line. That's why I'm big on the pre-orders. It makes more sense to skip the line, pay for ship, or pay online with your shipping costs. And it's also better than, I don't like germs. I don't like standing around people. I don't like waiting. I like working from home. I only went to drop this because I didn't do my orders before 2 o'clock before my post office person came. Would have done it before then, I would have put them straight on my porch and my postal person would have done a pickup. These are little tips I'm telling. All right, I want to take y'all to Walmart and show y'all what is the best way when you see a product that is showing request approval. That does not mean you can't sell it. The clearance items that you can make triple profit off of. First thing I like to do is look for that clearance aisle, or I'm going to the toys. I always go to the toys in Walmart. Okay. People inboxing me like, how do you find? I'm going to show you. I'm on the Amazon. I'm just going to show y'all the seller app. Okay. I'm looking for major brands. Looks like there's nobody selling this one. That means I'll be the first seller. So that's always a plus. When you're the only seller with something, you rack up on that ASAP, y'all. Rack up on it. If you're ever the only seller selling something, damn, now we got 2. I will make my own price for that, man. Basically, I would go like onto other websites, price match, or kind of like, you know, do a little average. This little stuff, y'all, are top sellers if you ask me. That's just my opinion. But you see this right here? $5. It's selling for $29. Fine. And this is what I do all day. This is literally what I do. In Walmart, you start what you're doing and you go grab that shit. Pay attention to the brands, y'all. You about to scan this because I have a feeling this is some money. Pass this up. I'm in the clearance rack. $57. 7 and under. You do the math. Look at this. Selling for this. Also, I'm getting it for 7 and under because a store will honor. And you might have somebody at the register that say, oh no, we don't know about that. Oh yeah, well your manager does. But what I'm talking about. These are the prices you're looking at. Selling for $40. So as you can see, this is $48, $28, $29. Amazon selling Chris. Here was some real ass shit. To your nearest Walmart. Run to your nearest Walmart. I keep trying to do this and all that, and I'm showing you. Amazon, it's restricted. Anytime you see it's red, it's restricted. You cannot sell it. They have their. I am now a Walmart seller. One monkey don't stop no show. That's why I have that. I cannot sell on Walmart. I mean Amazon. I'm not about to get rid of my stuff. I'm not about to do. So I'm dedicated. So I go and I set up a Walmart seller account. Guess what? It's restricted on Amazon, but Walmart is allowing me to sell it and add it to my store. $99 is right here for under $15. Do you see what I'm saying? You gotta go. So we're in the clearance aisle right now. Run to your nearest Walmart. This with Walmart sellers, because people like to buy stuff online with Walmart. As I go and look, Walmart is selling it. $99. Item to my inventory. Look. Ancestry. On my Walmart seller's account, I can sell this. So in the clearance aisle, I've been in this aisle for an hour. You know why? Because I can't motherfucking help it. It's so much money in this aisle. I'm scanning and I'm just seeing how much profit I can make. So I'm gonna come and show you. I'm sitting here minding my business.